वाहेगुरु student of 8th standard बच्चे today we are going to start our PA2 syllabus. PA2 syllabus the chapter number 2, that is exponents. Let us discuss about what is the meaning or what it means exponent. बच्चे exponent is also called the power. An exponent is considered to be a number or it is considered to be a letter that is written above and to the right of a mathematical expression is called the base. Suppose I will write here x raised to power n. X is considered to be an base and n is considered to be an its exponent or its power. That means x is multiplied, that it means x is multiplied by itself n times. Suppose if I will write 2 raised to power 3, see 2 is a base and 3 is written as exponent or power. So it means 2 is multiplied itself by 3 times. As we can write here 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. 2 cube is equals to 2 multiply with 3 times. This is considered to be an exponent. 3 is considered to be its exponent or power. Clear? Next is बच्चे, let us discuss about the laws of exponents. What are the laws of exponents? See, first law is multiplying powers with same base. When we will multiplying the powers with same base, see, if we will take p and q, both are the base, multiplying powers with the same base. Base should be same. See, let us take an example. P is considered to be an rational number. We will multiplying the powers of the same base. See, p having power first m and p having power n. Then what the law of exponent, when we will multiply the powers of the same base, the powers should be added. See, let us take an example. If 2 raised to power 3 multiplied with 2 raised to power 4, see, base should be same. When we will multiplying the powers of the same base, then powers is added. We can write is 2 raised to power 3 plus 4. So it becomes 2 raised to power 7. This is the first law of exponents, when we will multiplying the powers with the same base. Second law is dividing powers with the same base. Dividing powers with same base. See, same, p is a base, p is a same base. P having first power is m, second power is n. When we will divide the powers of the same base, or we can write p raised to power m divide with power p raised to power n, both are the same thing, then powers should be subtracted. Then powers should be subtracted. Same example, if we will take, see, 2 raised to power 4 divide with 2 raised to power 2, then we can write is 2 raised to power 4 minus 2. Powers should be subtracted. Third law is taking power of a power. Taking power of power. Suppose if p is a rational number and there are power of a power, p having power m, then power of a power, this is considered to be an power having one another power, then powers should be multiplied with each other. P raised to power multiply p raised to power m multiplied with n. When any base having power of a power, then powers of that base should be multiplied with each other. Next is same, let us take 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. This is considered a power of a power, then we can write it 2 raised to power 3 multiply with 2. Next law is multiplying powers. We can multiplying powers with same index. Let us take in two base p and q. These are the two base. P having power m multiply with q having power n. When base are different, multiplying powers with the same index, that means powers is same but base are different, then we can write as p multiply q raised to power m as it is. If we will write here, see, 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 3, then we can write easily, see, base are different but power is same or exponent is same. We can write easily 2 multiply with 3 raised to power 3. Clear? Next is fifth is बच्चे dividing powers with the same. Dividing powers with same index. When we will divide the powers of same index, see, p raised to power m divide with q raised to power m. Then we will write here p divide by q raised to power m. Clear? Or we can write this one in the form of p raised to power m or q raised to power m. As it is similarly p raised to power q, p divided by q raised to power m. We can write as it is. Here base are different but power is same. That's why we will write as it is. In that first one law, here base is same and powers are different. Then when we will multiplying, it will be added. When we will divide, it will be subtracted. Next is sixth is a 0 index. 0, that means when there is a base having power 0. See, if we will write here p is a base, p is a rational number having power 0, the value of any base having 0 index or 0 exponents, its value is considered to be an 1.